Hello my social media friends, John Ronson once said, "The great thing about social media was how it gave a voice to voiceless people." Your voice have power, you can use your voice yourself or sell your voice. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy way to make some extra cash or you're a full-time narrator looking for a passive income, there are a few steps you should take to get you on your way. The first step is to learn the ins and outs of the business. Aside from the technicalities, you will also need to build a brand and market your services. In particular, you will need to use social media to connect with potential clients and to advertise your services. For example, you could start a blog and sell your voiceover services to companies interested in promoting their products. There is a lot of competition out there, and it's best to do some research before you decide to jump in headfirst. Before you do, you should have a thorough understanding of the different types of voiceover work and the equipment you need to do them. Depending on the type of project, you'll probably need an XLR cable and a microphone. Once you've got your recording equipment, you'll need to find the right kind of jobs to fill your schedule. Fortunately, there are several sites out there that specialize in this type of work. These websites provide you with a database of thousands of opportunities. If you're serious about showcasing your voice-related skills, you can sign up for a membership with a site like Voice 123. With this service, you can search hundreds of jobs every day. You can set your rates, upload demos, and participate in contests. Another option is to join a virtual agency. Most virtual agencies are run out of the United States. It's a bit more expensive than a traditional agency, but it can be a great source of voiceover opportunities if you know where to look. Finally, you can try your hand at podcasting. These podcasts are mostly broken up into periodic episodes. Podcasters take on sponsors and can easily turn a few bucks in the process. However, you'll need to learn how to monetize your podcast before you can reap the rewards. The best way to learn the ins and outs of your new job is to practice. Just like with any other skill, it's not enough to have a great voice. You'll need to learn to speak in a clear and consistent tone. You might also want to get an XLR cable so you can record yourself in a quiet room. There are dozens of voice-over-related resources to be found online, but it's a good idea to pick a handful to explore. Taking the time to learn the different types of voiceover work will help you to narrow down your choices and make the most of your limited free time. This could result in you making more money with your voice than you might have previously thought possible. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to meet interesting people. And remember, always speak the truth even if your voice shakes. So much for today, my friends. Give things your best shot, do your best with information you got. Peace.